Hi, and welcome to Lesson 1. These are going to be fast-paced videos, so I just want to jump right in and get started. So we are going to start with capital A. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. You're going to start right below the top line, go up and around, trace back down, and there is your connector hook right there. We're going to do it again, up and around, trace back down, and hook. It's that simple. All right, and the lowercase a is similar, except that you're not going to go above the midline because it's a lowercase a. I'll zoom in a little bit more. And there you go. Now, sometimes you'll see the lowercase a taught like this because this is the connector for the letter in front, and then here's your connector for the letter in back. So if you want to practice that, we'll come up like that, and there you go. I'll do one more. All right, A is pretty simple. We are now going to go on to the next letter, which is B. So B, you're going to come down, trace back up, go around, and this would be your connector. Now, there are different variations of this. If you notice, I have this little thing here, and then there's your connector. Now, I tend to not connect my capital letters quite often. So usually I create my B's like this. I just kind of just curl it in and just make it a little fancy. Either way is acceptable and it's legible. We understand that that is a capital B. I will do one more for you. All right, now we're going to go to the lowercase b, which can be done in two separate ways. We're going to start with the easiest and most common. This is the traditional. You're going to go up, down, and around, back up to the midline, and kick out. This is your connector line for the letter before, and this is your connector line for the next letter. I'll do it again. Go up, down, and around, up to the midline, and kick out. Do it again. Now with the letter B, this letter B, you want to make sure that you are coming in and almost touching this looped line on top, because if you don't, it can look like that, and that actually looks like a lowercase l, which we'll do later on. So we're going to go down and bump it out. You want to make sure it looks like a B. So the other way that you can do your B is a little bit fancier. So you're going to come up and around, down, trace back up, and loop that way. So your connector is here. And it's a little fancier. Either way is acceptable. And I learned the traditional way, I learned the traditional way on top, but I think this way I've developed over the years, more because of calligraphy. So both of them are acceptable, you do you. The next letter we're going to go over very quickly because it's simple is the letter C. Start right below the top line, curve around, and then there is your connector line. It's that simple. Same thing with the lowercase c, only you're not going to come above the midline. There that is. And now, sometimes again, you'll see the C traced back around because this is your connector line for the letter before and your letter after. So if you want to practice that, there you go. Now we're going to put these together and we're going to make the word cab, C-A-B. So we'll do the capital C, right into the A, and then B. I just did the traditional B for that. Do it one more time. C, A, B. Now I will do the word with the fancier B. Probably wouldn't do this in real life, but there you go. I'll do one more. Now I'm going to do it with a lowercase c. Same movement, only smaller. There you go. The next lesson, we are going to go on to do the letters D and E, and there will be review videos, but we will add these letters in when we make words in the next video. I hope this helps. I'm looking forward to seeing your writing.